My name is Mark Richards. I'm the Deputy Director General for the National Museum Wales and have responsibility for all the sites, and this one in particular. It's a great honour for us today. We'll be welcoming the Dazu rock carvings, come all the way from China. It's a fantastic coup for Wales to see these objects being displayed for the first time outside of China, and they've chosen Wales, and particularly chosen Cardiff, as a location for that exhibition. As you may be aware, this is the first time these exhibits have actually left China, and normally when an exhibition of this sort would come to the UK, you might expect it to go to the British Museum. And I think it shows the way that Wales is held in such high regard and the professionalism of this institution that they've chosen to bring it to Cardiff.
我是大足石刻艺术博物馆的副馆长，叫陈小平。这次来到威尔士国家博物馆，主要是为了中国重庆大足石刻艺术展来到的。我们这次到这个威尔士国家博物馆来展出这是我们大足石刻第一次在中国以外的地方展览。我们为什么选择了这个Cardiff威尔士国家博物馆呢？因为威尔士是一个非常有文化历史底蕴的一个城市。Cardiff国家博物馆是一个非常优秀的博物馆，所以说我们准备了48件那个古代的宋代以来的石质文物，还有一些复制品和一些图片到这儿来展览。我们跟那个卡迪夫国家博物馆合作得很好，我们觉得。我希望这次展览有一个好的开端，有一个好的结尾，也希望给所有的参观者留下深刻的印象。谢谢。
Enw i yw Robin Gwyn. Dwi'n gweithio yma yn Amgueddfa Cymru fel cyfarwyddwr cyfathrebu ac yn gyfrifol am farchnata y 7 amgueddfa genedlaethol sydd yn y teulu. Mae'n anrhydedd ac yn fraint aruthrol i gael llwyfannu yr arddangosfa yma, achos mae gwlad fechan fel Cymru yn gallu cael perthynas efo gwlad un o'r gwledydd mwyaf yn y byd yn China. Mae hwnna yn dy hun yn arwydd y cael, gwlad fechan iawn o 2 miliwn o bobl mewn perthynas, mewn cydweithrediad ac un o'r gwledydd mwyaf byd. Wel, dyma'r tro cyntaf i'r casgliadau yma, i'r cerfluniau yma ddod o China i unrhyw le arall yn y byd. Felly mae hwnna yn ddoi hun yn bwysig iawn bod yr cyfle cyntaf i bobl y tu allan i China i weld y cerfluniau yma yw yng Nghymru. Ac mae hwn wrth gwrs yn rhywbeth allan ni ddefnyddio i ddenu ymwelwyr o Gymru ac o weddill gwledydd Prydain ac efallai Ewrop a thu hwnt.
My name's Simon Totso. I'm the exhibition designer here. So basically, every time there's a changeover in gallery structure or emphasis, there's always a change of interior architecture. It involves anything from a plinth to a full rip-out and makeover. Plinths are going in, stuff's coming back and forth from a company in Lanishon that's gratefully doing the job for us. And today is quite chaotic. We're taking advantage of obviously Monday closing to get a lot of logistics done, big stuff. It's all very exciting. There's a good atmosphere here, and the team's working really well together. I imagine we'll be working late into the night, and we'll look forward to opening. The exhibits, well, they're stone carvings, obviously would look much better in their original setting. So we've decided to put it in a very, very plain gallery and let them shine. It's all about the lighting, and it's all about kind of the setting. So It's going to be very, very dark in there and very charming, and there's going to be beautiful soft light sound effects, and hopefully it will engage the public. Just a very beautiful art exhibition with a little bit of history and a lot of background.